Hi everyone. So today we are here to learn how we can make a simple audiobook using Python. So before we start, we need to install certain modules. So for that, I will be opening a command prompt. You can do it using the PowerShell as well. So here I will write pip install pyttsx3, which is the text-to-speech module. Since I've pre-installed it, it says requirement already satisfied. Similarly, I am going to write pip install pypdf2, which is actually my PDF reader, which I've also installed, so it says requirement already satisfied. Now to write the Python code, you can actually use Notepad++, any IDE or a simple notepad as well. But I prefer using Notepad++. So let us open Notepad++ here. Okay. So first of all, let us import the modules that we have just installed. So import pyttsx3. Okay. I will just save this folder so that I can get the highlights on the keywords. Okay. So I already have a folder in my desktop for this program. So I will save it over here and name it PDF. Please don't forget to give this .py extension, which actually means this is a Python script. Okay, now you can see the text has got highlighted. Similarly, we will import pypdf2. I will also import the file dialog so that I can get that dialog box where I can choose which file I want to select, basically the PDF file. So from Kinter file dialog, I will import everything. Import start. Okay, so we have done all the import. Now we will try and open the PDF file. So I will name that as the book, and I will ask the user actually to select the file. So ask open file name. So this will actually create the dialog box where the user can actually select the PDF. And now I need to read that PDF. So I will read the PDF into a variable called PDF reader. So the variable names are actually just given by my wish. It's not something that you have to follow. You can just give any name to these variables. So here I will write pypdf2 dot PDF file reader. Okay, I think the PDF over here will be in lowercase. Okay, and I will read the book. Right. Now to read the book, we also need to know how many pages are there in the book. So I will name a variable called pages, where I will count the pages that I have read in the PDF reader. So PDF reader dot get num pages. So this will store the number of pages that are there in this PDF file. Now we can simply write a for loop where for p in range from 0 to pages. Okay. Now inside this for loop, first I have to read each and every page and then extract the text from that page. So first of all, let us read the page. So I will write page is equal to PDF reader dot get page, and I will get the pth number of page. So after I get the page, I need to extract the text. So I will extract the text in a variable called text is equal to page dot extract okay, I messed out over here. Extract text. Fine. Now since we have extracted the text, now it's our turn for the we have to make a computer actually speak all the text that we have read from that page. So for that, I will initialize a Python text to speech object. So I will name that as player is equal to py3.init. And now I will make the player actually say the text. So player.say the text. And while the player is actually saying the text, it needs to wait until the entire text from that page is completed. So I will write player dot run and wait. Fine. So let us just save this and see. So I will open this folder where I've actually saved this pdf.py, and I will open cmd in this folder. So here is our cmd. So let us just run the pdf.py. So here comes our dialog box. Over here, I already have created a .pdf file. Right now, I will not run it. What I will do is, I will open the same PDF file over here so that you can match the text that's written over here with what the computer is actually saying. Okay, now I select this document.pdf and open it.
This is a test document for PDF Reader. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much.
So that's it. That's how simple it is to make a simple audiobook using a Python script. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video.